Hello everyone, I am Devaranjani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to retrieve deleted text messages on Android. First of all, open Google Drive and tap on the hamburger icon on the top left side and click on Backups and click on your device name. Now click on App Data and you can see the message backup. Check whether the last backup was after you deleted the messages. If it was, then you will have to reset your device. For that, go to Settings and search Reset and click on Reset System Settings. After you reset your phone, there will be an option of Backup and Restore. Click on it. In this way, you can retrieve your deleted text message. If that didn't work, you can use third-party app called Doctor Phone. Or you can also use another third-party app called SMS Backup and Restore. For that, go to Google Play Store and type SMS Backup and Restore. Open the app and click on Restore. Click Yes and select the location of your backup. If you want to know more details, please check out our Gossip Funda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.